Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook account permanently. So to permanently delete your Facebook account, open Facebook and log in. Next, tap the menu in the bottom right corner. From here, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Next, select Settings. Once you're on Settings, go to your account and tap Account Center. Once you're on Account Center, scroll down and go to Manage Account. Select your Facebook account and click Manage beside it. So once you're here, select the activation or deletion. Next, from these two options, select Delete Account and click Continue. Choose a reason, click Continue. So here, select No, continue with deletion. Scroll down and you can export your information before you delete your account. Click Continue. Enter your password. So once you enter your password, just click Continue and follow the prompts to delete your account. So before deleting, you may want to download a copy of your photos, posts, and other data because once the deletion is complete, it cannot be recovered. Facebook allows you to cancel the deletion by logging back into your account within 30 days. After that, the deletion becomes permanent, though complete removal of all data may take up to 90 days. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.